Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hari ini adalah hari Khamis yang mana besok kita akan adakan workshop on Technical Training Institute Strategy Blueprint FY 2022. Hari ini saya akan berkongsi dengan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan tentang satu aplikasi yang dinamakan sebagai Miro, M-I-R-O. Esok kita akan menggunakan Miro sebagai platform for us to do our workshop and also to use the features that we have in Miro along the line in discussion and also whatever activities that we are going to do for workshop tomorrow. Jadi hari ini saya akan berkongsi tentang apakah dia di antara features-features yang ada, what are some of the features that we have in Miro and how can you use it so that our workshop will be effective, efficient and also productive. Okay, apabila kita start nanti, besok saya akan berikan satu link. Jadi link tersebut akan diberikan kepada semua dan it is really helpful if each and every one of you to register into Miro. It's free, there is no charges, it's free and also possibly that you can use that Miro for your own training programs ataupun teaching nanti. So this is the interface of Miro. These are the interface of Miro dan it says here Miro, M-I-R-O. Okay, M-I-R-O. And I'm using demonstration board. So dekat sini kita panggil satu board. Over here adalah kita punya canvas. Canvas means the whole board yang ada dekat dalam yang kita tengah lihat sekarang. So once saya invite each and every one of you to join into Miro, you are going to go into this specific board. Sebab specific board ni yang saya akan assign access untuk semua orang. Okay, looking up here, kat sini ada title of the file. I put it demonstration. And dekat sini over here, which you can actually use it to save as image, or you want to save the board in any other files that you think that you want to have it. Alright. Yang dekat sini adalah collaborators cursors, which this particular apps we are going to use it in collaboration of everybody. Maknanya during the workshop that you are going to access into Miro individually using your own laptop, preferably laptop. So you are setiap orang akan masuk ke dalam Miro masing-masing. So dekat sini adalah collaborators cursor. Jadi oleh kerana saya seorang sahaja, jadi kita tak nampak mouse-mouse yang lain. Tapi apabila all of us join the session ataupun masuk ke dalam apps Miro, we are going to see names. Sebab tu kita kena register baru kita boleh nampak nama dekat situ. Over here, di sini, ini adalah reactions. So kita juga boleh bagi reaction semasa perbincangan. Semasa perbincangan kita akan menggunakan Miro sepenuhnya. You can give reaction, either you want to give thumbs up ataupun love, fire, if you want to wave, surprise and also celebrate. And if you have any thing that you want to raise your hand, also you boleh tanya soalan straight di dalam Miro. Cuma kita akan menggunakan dua platform yang akan dibuka serentak. Satu, Microsoft Teams, which platform that we are going to have the workshop meeting and communication. Another one is Miro. Jadi dalam Miro boleh juga nak lower hand ataupun apa. Here you have here shared via public link. So kalau kita tekan dekat situ, we are going to see several options. Ada 3, invite link to board. So ini adalah invitation kepada board secara spesifik untuk board itu sahaja. Jadi you have several options, sama ada people that access into this particular board can view, can comment, or can edit ataupun no access langsung. So you can copy and give. So apa yang saya akan buat nanti, I'm going to copy this, copy invite link. Nampak link copied, share it with your team. Saya akan masukkan di dalam Microsoft Teams masing-masing. And you need to register that. Okay. Tapi dalam pada masa ini, it is not relevant lagi. Belum relevant. This is some settings that you can see. Saya tak nak explain sangat pasal settings. There's guide. This is feed. And this is some notes that if you want to use some notes, you want to take notes, you boleh letak kat sini. These are the part that I need to highlight, most important yang dekat sini. Because during our discussion, as I've mentioned, Miro is a platform for us to collaborate and to discuss. Rather than we have a discussion blank macam kita menggunakan Microsoft Teams, kita akan menggunakan Miro sebagai platform. So you imagine Miro is like a flip chart board ataupun flip chart paper that you have in front of you, and also Miro is also a presentation slide that you can see and you can refer. It is also a reference point for us to have a centralized communication. Sebab tu we need to have each and every one of you to register, and you need to open Miro, and also you need to open as well the Microsoft Teams. Okay. Option yang pertama dekat sini is this arrow. I think I'll put some templates here dulu. Saya masukkan satu template. For example, I'm putting this team alignment map. Okay, ni dalam Miro ada terlalu banyak template. Jadi boleh ambil template ni. So let's say I'm using this particular template. And it's going to add in here. Okay. Bila kita masuk kat dalam sini, cuba kita tengok dekat sini ada dia kat sini. These are the canvas yang saya kata keseluruhan canvas tu. And this yang template yang saya masukkan tu, this is the part that we are seeing now. Ini adalah part yang kita tengah tengok sekarang. And this is the instruction that we can see. So, I'm referring here back, select, which is V. Kita boleh tekan V untuk select, ataupun kita boleh tekan silap. Kita boleh tekan ini untuk hand gesture. Apa maksud hand gesture ni adalah kita boleh gerakkan kita punya templates all over dekat mana-mana sahaja. Dan the actual canvas here, canvas keseluruhan ni, it's actually like unlimited size dia. I'm going to zoom out from this. Saya tekan alternate and I'm using my mouse punya scroll ke dalam, so it's going to zoom out. So ini maximum yang saya boleh pergi. So I can put several template over here. Banyak tempat yang saya boleh gerakkan template. Sebab I can move it anywhere that I want. Dan bila kita bergerak, bila kita dapat gerak-gerakkan ni, and you find that the template is, you cannot read anything. So you tekan alternate balik dan you scroll mouse ke depan and it's going to zoom in until you can read at a certain point. So you boleh baca. Okay. So it works like unlimited zoom in and out. Bukan unlimited, it's not unlimited, but it can zoom until you can read the text that you are focusing at. Okay. Alright. So the first part is, as I've mentioned to you ni, adalah if you choose this button, if you choose this cursor, this mouse cursor, it's going to create a selection tool. A selection tool, which means kalau you buat macam ni, it's going to select certain tools yang ada dekat sini. If you select, you toggle it into hand gesture, so dia akan gerakkan keseluruhan semua. Dia akan gerakkan semua template yang ada dekat sini. So that's number one. Number two, this is about templates. I'm not going to show to you about templates. Macam saya kata tadi, there are two main templates you can explore. This is text. Alright. Text, you can click here text and bring wherever that you want to write the text. Let's say for example, I'm putting it here. So bila saya letak dekat sini, it's going to appear this text. It's too small. Kalau you rasa tak boleh nak baca, you can just scroll it, zoom in and make it bigger. Bila dah boleh tu, you boleh ke belakang sikit. Alright. For example, I want to write this team alignment. Alamak, hilang. Okay, I want to write team alignment activity. Alright. And you have the options to change the font, change the size. You can also make it bold. You can, for example, here you can highlight and make it bold. You can also italic or underline or whatever here. And if the yang ni besar sangat, let's say macam tu, okay. You can have at least you can have insert link as well, dan juga beberapa features kat sini. If you want this text ni to be there, whatever happens, you can lock it and it's not going to move anywhere. So kita gerak-gerak pun dia takkan gerak ke mana-mana lah. So this, I think this is, oh sorry, ini memang dah sedia ada. Okay, so that's text. I'm going to long press to unlock. Long press, unlock. Right. That's text. Okay, the next one, which is, I believe this is the most important part, which is the sticky notes ni. Sticky note. Dekat sini dah ada dah ya sticky note masing-masing yang ada. You can remove this. Oops, sorry. Control Z, undo. You can remove all of this kalau you nak. If otherwise, kalau tak, you boleh tambah. Because each sticky note, you can put the text inside the sticky note and it is automatically adjust to the size of the sticky note. Okay, I'm taking one. I'm double click here. Double click is going to enter there. Zoom in. Okay. Okay, I'm just showing here. Okay, double click. Let's say this is point number 1 to be deliberated. So this is the first sticky note. Katakan yang ini satu contoh. And maybe you want to have here another one. Oh, you tak suka color kuning, and then you can change to whatever color that you like. You can change to that color. You can write here maybe customized solution. It's not is the size is not there. You may also reduce the size. Done. And for this particular sticky note, you can have the link, insert link. You can have some emojis inside there. For example, here you can choose this emoji and put it there, and you can do many things of it. So these are the sticky notes. So once we've given some direction or instruction for you to use your sticky notes, this is the place where you are going to go, which is a sticky note. Yeah, sticky note. Another one is shape. Once you click here shape, you have options of several shapes. If you want more shapes, this is abundance of shapes here. There's abundance of shape. Ada banyak shape dekat sini. Let's say kita ambil this particular shape and we do some arrow. Okay, you can also adjust the size, the direction of the arrow, and you can also put here number 2. Let's say, oh sorry, yeah, not right. Boleh tulis tapi dia akan terbalik. So you need to find the right shape. Sini, ini shape yang betul. Okay. So if you have ada silap ataupun delete, just select and just delete. Here you can write. Yeah, can. Number 2, right. So can have here, take here, and this is number 2. Okay. And as mentioned, yang ini adalah shapes. Then dekat sini adalah connection. Connection. You can have line, you can have arrow, you can have also this arrow. Okay, let's say you are choosing, you want to connect between this and this. You can choose here, connection, line here, line and line. So that's one connection. And let's say, okay, it's quite flexible. If you want to just you want to direct touch the sticky note also can, ataupun tak touch sticky note pun boleh. That's number 1 option. And if you want to choose like this arrow also can. You can have here. Oops. Okay. Let's say I'm putting here, and this supposed to be here. Pun boleh. And if you are thinking kalau nak buat arrow macam ni, it depends to your creativity. Saya besarkan sikit. Okay. Oops. Oh, dia sentuh ke sana. Okay. Tak apa. Tak nak bagi masa kat situ. Okay, that's arrow. And we have also pen. Pen, if you want, kalau tangan you memang tega ataupun bagus untuk menulis, you can just write, let's say here, pen, and you want to choose red color. Choose purple. I like purple. So, let's, tu. Okay. Let's tebal. So you can choose color, thickness, reduce thickness. Let's join. Okay, that's a pen. You can also erase. You can have here, you can have eraser. If you don't like this, you just erase it. Thank you. Yeah. And this option is about comment. Comment, you can put here comment. And add a comment like, I like this idea. If you have somebody, you can just put alias, can put Sakina. Then you can also choose whatever options that you have, and done. I like this idea. And once you touch that, it's going to appear. That tekan je, dia akan keluar. And you can communicate within Miro as ni. That's command. And if you would like to have some frames, let's say kita besarkan sikit ni, kita zoom. You want to have this, all of this into one frame. You can have this selection, put it under one. Alright. No. Frame browser. Okay, so that's the frame. And you can have it covers into one frame. Kelebihan bagi ni, if you put this frame, you can shut it down. You can shut it, you can switch it on again. Buka mata dia buka. So these are some of the options that we have dekat dalam Miro. And also di bahagian bawah ni, there are several options as well. Tapi yang bawah ni adalah apa yang facilitator akan pakai, which is I'm going to use it. You can explore nanti, tapi bukan sekarang. Most important part is that you need to understand all of the elements that we have here for us to use Miro tomorrow. So looking forward to a meeting with you tomorrow. I'm going to invite you on to engage with the board that I've created, which is I call it the main canvas for TTI strategy blueprint. And this is a snapshot or glimpse of the table or the task that we are going to do tomorrow during the workshop on TTI. So that's Miro. Looking forward and meeting you tomorrow. Kita berjumpa besok dan sama-sama kita doakan agar kita dapat menghasilkan sesuatu yang lebih baik, menghasilkan strategi blueprint untuk TTI dan menjadikan segala inisiatif dan juga action kita satu action yang praktikal. Thank you very much. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.